Hello everyone, this is Chris, your warranty claim assistant from Warranty Valet. Today, I'm going to walk you through the steps to claim the DJI warranty. Subscribe to Warranty Valet for more helpful guides on warranty claims and tips. In order to claim the DJI warranty, head over to our website where we've laid out the process in 3 simple steps. You can find the link in the description below. After reviewing the first 2 steps, scroll down to the 3rd step to find the procedure for contacting DJI's customer support team. Once you're there, you'll find all the contact information you need, including their email and phone number, which is 818-235-0789. They're available on weekdays from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. To access their support section, scroll to the bottom of DJI's official website www.dji.com. Here, you'll see various topics, including customer service. You can also use the chat option in the bottom right corner for quick assistance. When contacting DJI's customer support, be ready to provide them with your serial number, a detailed description of the issue, and your shipping address. Once you've done that, you'll need to return the defective product to the manufacturer. After their inspection, DJI will either repair or replace your product. Before we conclude, remember that if you ever encounter difficulties or have questions about the warranty process, you can always reach out to us through the Warranty Valet website. We've assisted numerous customers before, and we're here to assist you too.